Oh, you're rough from about the bull. So, who you're rough for?
On Ghanaians TV, do like, share, and subscribe. So, the big question we have tonight is that, is Raf really fighting for his fellow Ghanaians, or he's just delusional in heroism? Is he so delusional about becoming the hero of our time, or indeed he is fighting for fellow Ghanaians? Guys, I have taken my time to review a couple of things or videos about this young man. The truth of the matter is that this particular actions or inactions of Raf the fellow Ghanaian keeps me thinking. I have always had my reservation about his ways, especially when they started this fix the country agenda.
You will defend this place. We need to let us peace.
I always knew that all that these people are set to do is to project themselves out there so that they can have opportunities when these political parties definitely comes to power. And they say, give time some time. And time has already shown that Raf was indeed doing whatever he was doing for the National Democratic Congress, NDC. There were some allegations that most of these demonstrations were organized by the opposition party, then NDC. Everything shows as we speak that this young man is becoming lawless. All that he does is to put camera on people. And it's not everybody who wants to be out there. Now, you want to create an impression that somebody is breaking the law. Yes, we understand. You can deal with the conversation by not putting the person on camera. There are instances where you don't have to make people uncomfortable in the quest of becoming a hero. Guys, this gentleman approached some hawkers on the road and wanted to advise them on keeping the environment clean. You can do that first off by educating them. But immediately he got there, he picked his camera. And the people were like, no, we don't want to be on your phone. Watch his reaction to that particular.
So who you grow for? You cannot be robbed and tortured. I'm just calling the person to tell them that when you are selling, that's what we do. You don't dispose it. That's the papa. I don't know about the area. Oh, yes. Don't you do nothing. What do you do? What do you want to do? Don't you want to do? You know, I'm sorry about girl.
Fast forward. There was this woman around, I think, Circle, where the lagoon is. Guys, this guy approached a woman who recklessly dropped a rubber containing whatever in the running water. And he started saying the woman should go down and pick it up. That is so right. But the truth of the matter is that the name calling, the throwing of tantrums were so unnecessary because the woman was not challenging you in any way. If the woman was challenging you, then we can have a conversation. But watch his reaction. The woman was indeed going to do it because there is an admission of wrongdoing. But all that shenanigans was just unnecessary. Watch and appreciate.
Hey, madam. Hey. Sikwa yi roba na dia to gata ni no. Edem kwase asem no. De bia mo mo tia no mu su se, de bia nsuo yili fa mo. Wo so de roba to gata ni ho na no enko yili no. Edem se hunu no. Ekwa before so be sima kwa koyi no. Sikoyi. Ah, and then kwasa say oba fra wan. Fogo wan ka sakoyi. Wouldn't say to be similar. Would it too? A quack before so be sima kwa be yin. See na be yi film. Toilet na wa corner dia be to ade ni. Sibe yi. And ko baby, I see be yi. Toilet corner dia to blame yi film. Nonsense. And then kwasa asem no. Ah, mutu kwasa asem kwa na de bia mu di why? Madam Jai kasa ni na sim na yi.
This is not it alone. You can address issues without acting violent. You tell the woman you come and beat her for telling you I do not want to be on camera? Is this not the same thing that happened in the hospital we are talking about? The rich hospital nurse is saying that you assaulted her and you keep on saying you never did it. But judging from some of these videos, can we not infer that you approach people in a very violent way and your tone is very loud?
So who you grow for? You cannot be robbed at watches. I'm just calling the person to tell them that when you are selling, that's what we do. You don't dispose it. What's the papa? I don't know about the area. Oh, yes. Don't you do nothing. What do you do? What do you want to do? Don't you want to do? You never saw a girl.
It is scary. You are scaring people emotionally, psychologically with your actions. You are just being delusional in becoming a hero of our time. This is not how Kwame Nkrumah operated. If your delusion is you want to become the hero of our time, then this is not the right way to go. AFIA Schwarzenegger has been reacting to some of your excesses. Guys, I appreciate that in this video.
Because what bodam do mahama na wama wings do mahama or your doctor. Do mahama or your doctor. A so idea for ankoye medicine and ankoye communication. What bodam what? Do mahama na waba power nti amaye say no. Do mahama na ono timi ko school by your doctor nibi. Oh fool what? Foolish networks. The camera chatting people, you will do what? I don't know who do one fence you and see woman so. If Ghana is any serious country, that young man must be in jail. Ofo sem kwase ade na ya ne boy ensem ama. What bodam what? Asia wo di nipa do sign a call. And to nipa ba ko no, ne ho hia che wo mom go hospital wo nyina. You are yelling, screaming in the hospital. In one of the videos, me who say I for ne pama chow. Some video.